This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom, greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson. Great opportunity to own a fully furnished condo in desirable Circle Bay. Enjoy the fabulous Florida lifestyle. Clubhouse, pool, spa, shuffleboard, covered parking, a workshop and a boater's paradise with slips available at only a $1.50 per foot per month up to a 36-foot vessel with no fixed bridges and ocean access. For more information, review the details below or contact Barca Benson Real Estate Team. Less than bedroom, greater than Caroline Barca and Marcia Benson at 772-528-0837.